Are you like me where you look at, the foods that you love to eat the most and you label them as bad, you label them as in the way of getting to your goals? What's going on? It's your favorite weight loss and mindset coach, Trev Bucheri here. I hope you guys are just having an amazing day today. And absolutely, that was me. That was me. I used to look at my favorite foods and I'd say, you know what? I can't, these are bad. These foods are bad. I can't eat them and get to my goals. You know what? I changed my mind. I chose to look at it a completely different way, and that's what changed. All right, the way that I looked at it. It wasn't the food that was bad. It wasn't the food's fault. It's the way that I was abusing the food. It's the way that I was eating the food. I wasn't just eating some of it. I was eating all of it, right? It's overconsumption of anything is not going to lead to the end result that we're looking for if we're looking for weight loss as a goal, let's just say. So I changed my mind and I started eating with intention. I said, okay, what are foods that I actually really love that I know will actually help me get to where I want to be? All right, instead of doing fully restrictive nutrition, over and over again and completely sustain and earn the prize, which is also great. Discipline is needed, of course, but how could I get there eating the foods that I love? And it really came down to the simple thing of portion size. It came down to moderation. It came down to eating the foods that I love, but finding a way to eat just enough of it where it's actually continuing my progress. And my progress has not stopped. Is it as fast as it would be otherwise? I'd say about 85%. And you know what? For being able to eat exactly what I want and when I'm actually enjoying, I'll take it all day long because of the fact that it doesn't tempt me to waver. That's the beauty about it. It does not tempt me to waver, and therefore, I'm less, fidgety and I guess less fixated on when's my next, cheat day or whatever it may be, which is also great, But I found that when they come, I'm also not binging as much as I was. I'm not eating as much as I was because I'm already actually eating the things that I'm enjoying throughout every single day, quite frankly. So it's been very eye-opening and really came down to looking at the food and again, eating with intention. I was looking at my food, I feel, incorrectly. I was labeling things as bad, all right? As opposed to saying, hey, you know what? Actually, I could use this as a tool if I use it this way. Okay, and then there's the question of, well, what about like pizza? Can you do that? Well, I looked at it and I said, okay, when I'm eating pizza, am I intentionally eating it to get in the best shape of my life? And the answer was really no. I was eating it for the taste and the satisfaction, whereas I know the macronutrients, which are the proteins, carbohydrates, and fats of other foods, that would be absolutely very helpful for my goals. So I'm looking at it that way. I'd say, oh, okay, those, but I also love the way that they taste, so I feel like I'm getting, the satisfaction that I'm looking for, and I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything, So it becomes less of a thing, and now it's just the way that I'm living now, and my progress is, again, at least 85% as fast. Love it. So hope you got a ton out of that today. It's your favorite weight loss and mindset coach, Trev Bucheri here. You have an incredible rest of your day. Take care.